Hi everyone, welcome to the channel and my name is Manish Tiwari. So in this particular video, we are going to talk about why DevOps is important and why should you join the DevOps domain. So most of my viewer, as I know, or you can correct me as well, you are either from the different domain or you are from the DevOps domain, you are preparing for the DevOps, correct? So what is the benefit of DevOps, why it is important, and why should you join and why should you select it as your career, correct? So why it should be part of your career, this is what we are going to talk and we are going to explain these things in this particular video. So this is completely about the DevOps, why should you select the DevOps, why your career should be towards the DevOps, and what are the kind of benefits you can get into the DevOps and not into a different domain, or why should you go for another domain if you are not compatible with this. So this is the thing what we are going to talk in this particular video. Also, if you have not subscribed this channel, please do subscribe, because that's the thing which keep me motivating to create more and more such kind of videos based on the technical things, based on your career guidance, based on suggestions. And why I'm creating this video, that is also important thing. So I have received a lot of comments and personal WhatsApp messages as well. I do receive that I have been working with Selenium testing, I have been working with this production support, I have been working with this particular organization for last 10 to 15 years. Should I go for this DevOps domain? What are the kind of benefits I can get? What are the kind of package I can get? What are the kind of learning I will have to do? What kind of interview questions will I encounter? So I receive a lot of queries that why should we get into this? What kind of roadmap we will have to follow? Correct. So this video is dedicated for each and everyone. You should watch it till the last to understand whether you should go for it or not, what are the kind of benefits you will get out of that, correct? So we are going to talk each and everything. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. That's the thing, as I said right now, that's the thing which motivates me to create such videos continuously and help you, correct? Okay, coming to the things what we are talking now and what we are discussing, why should you go for the DevOps domain and what are the kind of benefits you will get for the DevOps. So as you know that there are various, or you can say the multiple roles available in the market, and you get it into IT development role, production support role, operation role, cloud engineering role, platform engineer role, SRE role, correct? There are a lot of roles and responsibilities, database DBA, correct? Database administration, and any other roles as well which are available, solution architect and other stuffs. So when it comes to the DevOps, let's understand what are the kind of key skills are there in the DevOps. It includes AWS Cloud, it includes Kubernetes, it includes Terraform, it includes CI/CD, that means your Jenkins, GitHub Actions, Argo CD, other CI/CD tools as well, monitoring tool like APM tools as well, you can say, your Grafana, your Dynatrace, Splunk, Datadog, and any Elk and any other tools which are available in the market. So these are the kind of tools and technology, Linux, Git, scripting, Python, all these are part of DevOps. Now, when you compare DevOps with any other domain, just considering that now you want to get into your production support role, at that moment also you should be a bit aware of all these skills, correct? If you are aware, you can get into the more troubleshooting part. If you are not aware, you will have to wait for the DevOps team to reply. You will have to be like, you just stand there and someone is going to help you. But if you know, you can direct pitch in and you can do the debugging if you do have the access, correct? So production support role also requires this kind of things. Your SRE role also requires this kind of stuff. Your infrastructure engineer, that they also require this all kind of thing. Even if you join in such some organization, you will get that your QA team is working on all these stuffs. Generally for the QA, it's kind of testing. You have to do the Selenium testing and other testing stuffs, correct? You have to go with the other two things. If you are working with the vulnerability and image scanning, those kind of stuffs, so you have to go for the SonarQube, the Trivi, and other tools which are available in the market. You are going to utilize those things, but then also you have to work. So most of the time you will see that even if you are going for an AI engineer, data engineer, that time also you have to ultimately work with the cloud, correct? You have to deploy your Python application, you have to deploy your Python code, you have to run it, you have to do the ETL jobs, correct? At that time also you are going to do the deployment through these tools only, the Jenkins, the GitHub Actions. That way you will do the deployment. So even if you are trying to go for the MLOps, for the AI engineer, for the data engineering, for the production support, for the SRE, for any other roles, these are the kind of skills you will have to learn. And what are the benefit out of this? When you learn, DevOps is a kind of role which is a kind of stable. So you get the stability with your role. When you are getting into the MLOps, AI ops right now, according to the current market, you will get the job. There might be a chances that you get a higher package in a startup. Not every renowned organization will be providing you more package than the DevOps engineer, but in a startup you might get it. But when we talk about stability factor as well, DevOps engineer role has more stability. You can do it. You can Google it as well. You can do ChatGPT as well. You can see that DevOps engineer has more stability than AI or MLOps engineer, data engineer. Talking about any other field, development and other, here you are in the DevOps, you are going to get both the things, development plus operation, as the keyword itself suggests, correct? So here you are going to do the development stuff, you are going to do the work on the infrastructure, you are going to work on the availability things, you are going to work on the deployment things, you are going to work on the Kubernetes. So each and every tool you are going to utilize, and when you are utilizing each and every tool, you are the kind of expert. So you are in the demand in each organization. Every organization has the openings for DevOps engineer, for cloud engineer, and you are the best suitable if you do have the knowledge on that. So you can easily get the job in the DevOps field. You can easily get a good package as well. Even sometimes, depends on the organization, you will be having more CTC than your development team, than any other domain as well. So it completely depends on your skill set, on your learning, on your interview performance. You are going to get a good package, good organization, good work culture, no shift timing. In general, if there is any organization which provides you the shift, that's a different thing. For DevOps engineer, they work in general shift. You do not have to sit in the shift. You do not have to work in the rotation. You are going to work in the shift, in the general shift. You are going to work towards the automation. So if you are the one who is loving the automation, who loves doing the infrastructure automation, the script execution automation, the pipeline deployment automation, all kind of tasks you want to automate, you love this, DevOps role is for you. And you can easily prepare it. It will take, if you are completely beginner, it will take 1 or 2 months to prepare. If you dedicate your time for the learning, you can directly prepare each and everything. If you are the one who is facing the challenges with the interview, once you are prepared, or if you are currently facing the challenges, we run DevOps interview preparation bootcamp too for helping you. So you can easily join that, and once you have already prepared, you have gone through the theory part, correct? Here we will help you in 5 days only. That will help you prepare you, will make it confident for you, so that you can crack your upcoming next interview just after 5 days. So if you dedicate your 5 days with us, you can get your job easily without getting into much into the depth. So this is why I recommend DevOps for each and everyone who is watching this video. Just try to share it with with your friends. Just watch it till the last. Watch it all the videos what we share. Just do inquiry for the DevOps interview preparation bootcamp as well for the training if you are completely new to the DevOps, and get into the DevOps domain if you are trying to switch. If you are at one place and now you are thinking about making yourself or pushing yourself into another place, correct? If you want to switch, you can easily join the DevOps world. You can easily join the DevOps domain, and believe me, you are going to get the good package as well. So that's why DevOps is important. You can compare with any other role and you can easily join. If you want to explore our services, what we are providing, you can directly get into the topmet.io profile, which is, you can get the link which is in the description, and you can explore our services, and you can book a one-to-one call, mentorship call, career guidance call, whatever you want through that. So let's meet either on the WhatsApp or on the Topmet booking. Or if you do have any kind of question, just feel free to drop a WhatsApp message or comment in the YouTube. If you put it in the YouTube, it will help others as well to get the questions and answer. So let's work on this. Just prepare yourself, get the job. Thank you.